So in the lesson today, we're going to be learning problem solving using patterns. Okay, so we're going to solve the problems that are given to us, and we're going to be using patterns, which is how a number is shown to us, some sort of order. So before I start going over the problem solving procedure or technique, I'm going to talk about what is a sequence. So a sequence is an ordered list of numbers, and the terms in a sequence are the numbers in a sequence that are shown to us. All right, so all the numbers that are shown are called the terms. And those numbers or those terms, they are separated by commas, okay? And there is, we also put like a dot, dot, dot after that, and 3 dots basically mean that it goes on forever, or it goes on, more terms will be there. So now we have a sequence here, 5, 14, 24, 27, 44, 65. So the first term here is the 5. The second term here, as you can see, is the 14. The third term is 27. The fourth term is 44. And the fifth term here is 65. So those are all the terms. If I ask you, what's the third term? You're going to say 27, right? So the dot, dot, dot means, as I said before, it indicates that the sequence has more terms after that too. So it's not limited sequence, it has more terms. Okay, so it's going to keep on going further than just 65. All right, so it's going to go beyond 65. And then to show the nth term, what we do is we write a and subscript as an, like a lowercase n. So I'm going to show you a difference table now. It's a table where we show the difference between consecutive terms. So we're going to look at an example where I'm going to show you how do we make a difference table that shows the difference between consecutive, and consecutive means one after the other terms. Okay, so now we have a sequence. There's an example here. So our sequence is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on. So when you see, if I ask you, can you make the difference table? All you have to do is you have to write the original sequence. So that's 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. And then you have to find the difference between the consecutive terms. And it always has to be positive. So the first difference here is, which is the first time we did this process, is what we see, okay? So in this scenario, that we notice that all the first difference terms are the same, okay? So then if that's the case, to figure out the next term is going to be easy, because all you have to do is just do 14 plus 3, which is going to be 17, and so on and so forth, okay? So as you see in this example, the first difference is the same throughout, okay? So based on what I see, if I were to ask you what's the next term, you're going to say, Mr. Rang, the next term is 17. All right? So it's not always like this so easy, like you get the answer right away. Sometimes you have to find the second difference. Basically, you need to continue until it comes out to be the same throughout. Okay? So let's do one more example here. So let's see if we have a sequence which has something more going on, and we may have to do more than just the first difference. All right, so we may be doing a little bit more work here. So the sequence is given to you as, so you have 5, you have 14, 27, 44. So you're going to find the consecutive terms difference. And as you observe, it's all coming out to be different numbers, right?